I've never seen. Oh, Greta dropped it. You dropped it, bro. Go get it.
He got it in his mouth.
He's got. It's like a chipmunk or something.
I don't know.
Oh, it's gone now.
I don't know, but it's eating it. It's eating it.
Baby, he has to.
I know, but I don't want the chipmunk to be dead. Oh my god, there's blood! I can't look.
Don't look. You don't have
It's
to
so
look.
sad.
Oh my gosh.
It's so sad. Struggle of life.
Bro, all we need is David Attenborough here. And here, the raven has a magnificent breakfast at the cost to the chicken. He can. Oh my god, he's.
No, I don't
swear to
want
God, he's